For this video, I'll be teaching you how to play One Family, the BCBP theme song. So let's get started. So unahin muna natin yung intro chord. So first chord ng intro ay F. So yung F. So para lang siyang E, pero nasa first fret. Bar on first fret. Next is E minor. So, middle finger, second fret of the A string, and ring finger, second fret on the D string. Then let's have A minor. So, ito yung A minor. So, from E minor, next is A minor. Then followed by D minor. So these are just basic chords. Then the last is G. So pwede ganitong G or pwede rin ganito. So ito yung intro. So let's have the verse part. So first chord is C. Then next is A minor. Then D minor. Then G. Followed by F. Then next is F minor. So from F, iangat mo lang ito ang middle finger. So ito ay F minor. The next is D7, then G, then next is G7. So from intro, praising Him, giving thanks for the trials and the blessing. And G7. Same. Second verse, C, then A minor, D minor, G. Then E minor, A7, then D minor, then G, then C. Then bago mag-chorus, ang chord ito ay G minor. So bar on the third fret, then ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and the pinky 5th fret on the D string. This is G minor. The next is C7. C7. So bar again on the 3rd fret, ring finger, 5th fret of the D string, and the pinky on the 5th fret of the B string. Or you can have it as this one. So pwedeng ganito ang C7. So C, then pinky on the 3rd fret of the G string. So G minor, then C7. G minor, C7. So then bago na mag-chorus. So for the chorus, first chord is F. Then next is E minor, A7, then D minor, then G, tapos sa G is C. C7. Then next pattern is F. Then F minor. Then E minor. Then A7. Then D minor. Then E minor. Then F. Then G. Then C. So last part ng verse. C7. Let's join our hearts and praise His name. For we are one family. And for the third verse, bago mag-third verse ay ang chord nito ay D minor, then G. For we are one family. Then pasok na sa third verse. Third verse. Spread the news of the places. Let's invite our party in businesses. And G minor. Then C7. So again, third verse. D minor by G, C, G minor, C7. The Lord our God and Savior is the center of our life. So let us then chorus na naman. Chorus 2 ay balik ulit sa chorus. We are one family. So G minor na naman at C7. That chorus, repeat ang chorus. C7. Let's join our hands and praise His name. Oh, we are one family. BCBP. It's a part nito ay after ng C ay A7. So we are one family. Again, A7, the last one, we are one family. Then, after ito ay F minor. so last chorus. A7. Then F minor, C. So C is the last chord of the song. So I hope this video helped you, mga brad and sis, and I hope to see you again in my next vlog.